I know I'm going to surprise a lot of people when I say this, but this niche is very low competition and it's very unsaturated, and you should be getting into it, right? And some people are going to say to me, "What? No, come on, AJ, come on. That's saturated." Guys, listen, this niche is probably one of the most profitable niches out there on Etsy. That's a fact, right? And it's also very low competition still, even though a lot of people actually search on it, right? Um, but there's still not enough designs for this. Now, let me just explain for those of you that don't know. Look at my screen. Now, I've typed in the birth month flower, right? Now, the birth month flower is a very, very desirable niche that people always search for. Now, let me just explain what it is. The birth month flower is basically, it represents the month that you're born in. So, if you're born, say, for example, in March, then the daffodil flower represents the month that you're born in, right? If you're born in June, then the rose is the flower that represents the month that you're born in. Okay, I hope that makes sense. And you can see just examples of these on my screen. Lots and lots of examples, right? Different types of designs, different styles, but they all do the same job, right? Where people buy these birth month flowers, whether it be in singles or in bouquets, line work style. You can see, for example, here, this is just gives you a typical example of what I'm talking about. This whole line has different styles of having these birth month flowers. The whole line is different. When I come down, you can see another line that is different. Or you can see that I've just typed in birth month bouquet, and you can see these really nice digital download bouquets that represent the family. So all the members of the family in the bouquet, would represented by the flowers, right? Simple. Now, like I said, these are hugely profitable. And if you want to understand and see how you create something like this, then stay right to the end, and you'll see that I'll show you. I've created a video on how to create this, right, using an AI platform called Kittle. So yeah, stay right to the end, and I'll show you where it is. But anyway, look, just to explain this further, right? People don't know that this is actually low competition, and I'm going to prove it right now. But like I said, this is probably one of the best niches to get into because there's so many possibilities. Like I said, you could do single flowers. People buy single flowers. People buy bouquets in these kind of styles. You got the line art bouquet. You got this vintage, cool watercolor style bouquet. You know, and the styles are endless, right? The styles firstly are endless, and the way people want to have these designs are endless. Like look at these single flowers representing the family members here on the left, and then you got these single flowers, then you got bouquet, then you got the line work style. It's just absolutely endless because people like the concept of the birth month flower, but they like it designed and created in different ways, which is great because that means that there's plenty for everybody in terms of sellers to do this. Now, how do I know that this is definitely low competition? Well, I'll tell you why I know. I know already because, firstly, the amount of sellers that are doing this, that are making a lot of money creating this, is massive. Now, if you didn't know that the custom and the personal also, um, side of it, if you like, of this type of digital product is extremely desirable. And what I mean by the custom personalized is it's not just a case of a digital download that people can just, have, or they could do if they just wanted the flower. But if, say, they wanted something where, the seller needs to put all the flowers together for the members of the family, just like you see on my screen, like the James family, and you got the names Sarah, Michael, Emily, David, where the seller has to basically get the flowers, put them in a bouquet, put the name of the family at the bottom, and then send the design over to the customer, right? It requires a little bit of work. It requires more work than, say, a passive digital product that you're selling of, say, I don't know, 20 PNGs of say, baby elephants, something like that, where it doesn't require any custom or personalization from the seller, right? This requires a little bit more work. And whenever there's a little bit more work to do, then there are more opportunities for sellers because some sellers are lazy. So take advantage of that. But this is very lucrative. And this birth month flower niche is extremely lucrative. Like I said, there's many ways you can get into this, which is actually really, really good. Now, how do I know it's most definitely low competition? Well, as I mentioned, there are many, many sellers, even newbies that are getting into it, doing very well in terms of making monthly income. But I'll also show you something else. Now, on the side here, I've hooked up my go-to research SEO tool called Everbee. If you don't know about it, try it out. The link is below. And this is how I'm going to show you and verify this because it's crazy. Like it literally is. It shows you the numbers. I mean, from this, I can see obviously what listings are selling, what listings are doing well. But what I need to do is I need to go on the side and go to product analytics, right? Actually, no, I'm going to go to, first of all, well, yeah, let me go to product analytics just to give you an idea in terms of like, just to show you a couple of things, right? And then I'm going to go to the whole database. Then I'm going to go to, then I'm going to just go to a few things. So I haven't even done it in kind of the revenue order, I don't think. Maybe I have. But you can see that, just an example of just sales. You can see these are selling quite well. You can see that there's revenue here. And remember, this is just one listing, by the way. If you create 10 listings, you get an idea of possibly how much you could make. But you can see that also the trends, you can see the growth rate. There are ones that are trending, and it's always good to study those and see why these are working. For example, this one, these kind of tattoo style custom birth month flowers, doing very well, 500% increase in trend. And you got this one making $950 also, that floral line work style. And the other thing I wanted to kind of just really show you quickly, and the other thing I wanted to show you is just this, just so that you understand that, this is not about, there's different listings with different ages, 5, 11, 23, 14, 16 month old listings that are making money. So even fairly recent listings are doing quite well, which is a good sign as well. But in this, what I mean by this kind of low competition, which is I want to really touch on this, is I'm going to show you the keyword, something called the keyword research on Everbee, right? So I want to say, I'm going to just type in birth month flower, right? Just want to show you something. Now, this term that I've just typed in, right, has a search volume, just birth month flower, these three words together. When people type it in on the Etsy platform, there's 5,994 people who search for this term. It has competition of 72,000 and has a keyword score of 80. Now, 80 is very, very good, right? Just so you know, 80 is very, very good. Although the competition might sound a lot, not really. Now, I can go further because when you add other words like bouquet, which also is, something that people search for, remember, these are all search terms, right? I've just added the word bouquet, and that has a search term volume of 2,475 people typing in birth month flower bouquet as it is. It has a competition of 9,290. Now, the keyword score is 270. So that is a massive, that is huge. This is telling me that the opportunities here are massive. And when you go into the related words, guys, because people don't just search for the words that I've just typed in, they don't, there's many terms. So, for example, just so you just have an idea, right? There's the volume amount of people that search for this is massive. Like people that type in, say, birth monthly flower bouquet, right? People type that in, right? They might say birth monthly flower bouquet. That specific term has a volume of 1,745 with a competition of only 316, right? So there's different terms that people search for, right? There's another one, mom's birth month flower bouquet, right? That's another completely different, term, if you like, but related. 1,467 type that in on a monthly basis, and it has a competition of only 4,486 with a massive keyword score of 330. Now, my point is this: related keywords, there are so many birth month flower related keywords that have a very, very high keyword score. If you look on the side here, you can see how high it is. The higher the keyword score, the better, which tells me, right, is so this is like an investigation, guys, right? This is a very high demand, still unsaturated, low competition, especially when you actually create the right type of birth month flower, right? Let me just go to something else. Birth month flower, I want to say tattoo, because the tattoo line work style is another different style, right? So I'm just going to type in tattoo and see what that brings up, right? Again, look at this. It's unbelievable. Birth month flower tattoo has a search volume of 1,282 with a competition of only 2,045. It has a keyword score of 630. This niche is phenomenal, right? It really is phenomenal. Remember, do wait till the end of the video. I'll have the how to create a birth month flower bouquet style up at the top somewhere. You'll see at the top towards the end of the video, right? You see it up there. But my point is this: get into create. If you want to get into this, I would create different types of birth month flower listings, whether it be the tattoo style like this one, which is the line work style, very, very desirable, very profitable. Whether it be the bouquet style that I showed you, whether it be just the single flowers, they're all kind of are really good. And then on top of that, you want to have different sort of, like I said, tattoos are sort of line work style, but you can do watercolor, vintage, bouquets. Honestly, it's quite endless, right? And who buys these? Well, people love to buy this as a gift. Imagine, a family member, it could be Mother's Day, Father's Day, it could be a birthday. The times to buy this are also quite endless because the custom personalization, guys, niche, if you like, is massive. And because not everybody wants to put that little bit of work in, and honestly, when you see the video, you'll see that it hardly takes any work. It means that there are more opportunities for you as a seller. So yes, it's still low competition, the birth month flower, even though it's been around for ages and everyone knows about it. It's massive, it's profitable, and people think it's actually um, totally high competition, and they're so wrong. And this is the data. This is what I'm saying. You guys need some kind of research SEO tool so that you don't just listen to me, but you see the numbers, the data. It's all there in front of you. And there is a huge amount of people searching for this because remember, these are all different terms that people, type in. So, for example, customized birth month flower tattoo is another term that people type in, and that has a volume of 1,032 people typing that in every single month. Now, if you add up all of these related keywords, that just shows you that this is probably one of the most searched, sought after things on Etsy. And this is me just talking about the digital side. On the handmade side, on the pod side, that is also very big. I'm just talking on the digital side, guys. So yes, you can get into this. Yes, there are many different angles to actually create designs and listings for this, and yes, you should be doing this. So if you want to learn how to actually create the designs themselves using AI, then do check out me creating it up there somewhere. It's going to come up at some point. But I do hope you liked the video. If you did like the video, remember, hit the like, subscribe, smash the notification bell, drop a comment below, and I'll see you on the next one.